Hello to all the lovely, beautiful, and gorgeous people out there. I'm back.
Hi.
Welcome back to RSKG. Today we are going to take you along with us for brunch at CJ's.
Actually, we've already been there once at their waterfront mall brunch, and we really liked the food. So, we decided that being RSKG's prestigious audience, you should also experience the amazing food and ambience at CJ's.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing episodes. Now, without any further delay, let's drive to CJ's at Village Market.
So guys, we left home. We're headed to the village market. We don't seem to have much traffic, so we should be there soon. My absolute favorite here is their milkshakes. They have amazing milkshake. But I think today I'll skip the sugar and I'll probably go for something more healthier, which is juice. They have a lot of variety and I think I'll go for the cocktail juice. So yeah, let's see how different is their juice.
Okay, so I've seen the drinks menu. There are so many different drinks which they offer. This classic, this strawberry peach and passion fuse. This kiwi mojito, this strawberry and passion. So I like kiwi, so I'm going to try kiwi mojito. And can't wait to taste. So guys, I'm going to order this one, this kiwi mojito.
So I'm just going to give a try to my tropical juice. I've always had milkshakes here, but let me give it a try today. This is really nice. I think it's a very, very healthy option to choose. It's very nice.
So guys, I have ordered the kiwi mojito because last time when I went to Waterfront Mall, I tried the same. So, wow. And there is this ginger juice. I just want to try it because last time I missed out. And you just mix. Okay. As you can see, they have these mint leaves. Amazing. So guys, this kiwi mojito is really nice. But unfortunately, this is my second one because the first one fell.
So starters, I'm actually trying out chicken spring rolls. I always fancied veg, but today is chicken spring rolls, so let's try and see. They look really delicious, so let's see how they taste. Amazing.
So guys, I have ordered a Thai chicken curry with noodles. Let me just try and give you the feedback. Actually, I'm trying it for the first time. So this is the Thai chicken curry with noodles. This is really nice. Anybody who comes here, so this is Thai chicken curry with noodles, you must try that. It has that really rich coconut flavor because it's a Thai curry. So I'm glad that I have ordered it. It has really soft and tender chicken pieces along with noodle. I actually like it. And I'm not very much fond of noodles, but because I saw it and I thought let me just try, because most of the time I tried chicken breast, chuza chicken or something like that. This is really nice. I like it. So guys, as compared to the chicken spring rolls, I like this Thai chicken curry with noodles. This is amazing. Must try. Just really nice. Guys, even the chicken spring rolls are also very nice, but they are a bit drier. I don't know what you have to say.
I think they could be a bit more juicier. They're a bit dry. So you feel that the dryness of the chicken in the spring rolls.
Guys, they have given this mustard sauce. That's nice. So if you will try it with this mustard sauce, then you won't feel that dryness. And also, you see, the serving staff is really courteous and accommodative. They're polite. So they have so many options, like starting from salads. They have different kinds of salads. They have sandwiches. They have burgers, which look really yummy. And then there is big meal combo. Then they have big meals and they have big meals combo. In case of combo, they add some kind of juice or some smoothie as per your taste. So guys, for main course, we have ordered a dish called Split Decision. It consists of 3 options. It's basically a curry dish. There's an option of chicken, fish or beef curry, and it is served with either steamed rice or Mexican rice. So I have ordered chicken and fish curry with Mexican rice, and
So I have ordered a vegetarian burger with fries. I had too much starters already, so I couldn't do another heavy dish. But I love the burgers that they serve here. I'll just show you in a bit. So guys, this is my veg burger with fries. Their breads are extremely soft. So I'm going to take a bite and then I'm going to tell you how the taste is today. burgers is a little messy, so you will bear with me, please. It's really nice and extremely soft. The breads are just amazing.
Very good. Must try. Let me try the fish curry with rice. Mind blowing. I'll give it 8 out of 10. Really nice.
I always thought that the burgers that I had when I was in London at Burger King were the best burgers. And even as soon as Burger King opened in Nairobi, I was probably one of the first people to go there. But I was so disappointed by their burgers. But I can safely say that this is, if not the same, it's very close to the burgers that we had in London at Burger King. It's probably 90% close. Do give it a try. It's awesome.
So now, as our bellies are extremely full, and the brunch is over, or I should say the party is over, how would you describe or rate this place, if I may ask?
Yeah. So for rating, I would say food on the number one. Food is amazing. Their food is always very good, and I can safely give it a 7 on 10.
Okay, true.
As far as their service and ambience is concerned, they have extremely good service. The ambience is very good. The price point. So their price is extremely affordable. I mean, we had 3 things to drink. We had 2 starters, 2 mains, and all that for just a little less than 5,000. Extremely affordable. And I think, the best thing about them is that they have a meal for every time of the day. You can go for breakfast, you can go for brunch, lunch, evening tea, coffee, and dinner. Anytime, you'll always get something yummy to eat.
And in fact, I would like to add on, even the service is really nice. I'm really impressed because you remember my first drink, the kiwi mojito, it fell by mistake. It was my mistake, but those guys, they just brought it without even us guys asking them to bring another one. They just brought it. And to my surprise, they didn't even charge.
No, they didn't.
So I am, really impressed. And I would like to say that, from now on, that place is going to be my go-to place. So thank you for joining us on our brunch. Hope you enjoyed the experience.
If you have already been to CJ's, which I know most of you have, please tell us which is your favorite dish on the menu so that we can also get to experience the same and share your favorite. Please put it in the comment section below. We would love to try it.
Last but not the least, do subscribe to our channel. It won't cost you anything, but it helps and means a lot to us. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and peace.